What happens in a bankruptcy case is that the bankrupt that files bankruptcy needs to file a list of creditors with their names and addresses and the amounts owed. And the court then sends out notices, including a notice of the deadline for filing claims. Well, if you're not listed on the bankruptcy petition that the creditor that the bankrupt files, then you're not going to receive those notices. And if you later learn that the bankruptcy case was filed and the deadline for filing a claim has passed, you're out of luck because the bankruptcy code doesn't allow or provide for late filed claims. Nonetheless, there is authority out there, and judges have found it unfair where creditors weren't listed to be excluded from any payments that are made by the bankrupt. So if certain criteria are met, the creditor who didn't file a claim will be allowed to file a late claim, and that claim will be treated as if it were filed on time. But in order to get that authority and get that approval, you need to make a motion. That means you need to give us a call, and we'll make the motion to get approval to file a late claim and have it treated as if it was filed timely. But if you just filed a late claim on your own, it will be disallowed as having been filed late. If one of your customers files bankruptcy and is reorganizing, in other words, in Chapter 11, they're going to want to continue doing business and somehow restructure their business so that it becomes more profitable. And if they want to order goods from you while they're in bankruptcy, that's terrific. You can go ahead and sell to them. But the question is, should you? And the answer to that question is whether or not you're going to get paid. If you're going to get paid, then of course sell to your customer. And what bankruptcy allows in Chapter 11 is called an administrative claim. So if you provide terms to your customer, 30 days or 60 days, and you don't get paid, the bankruptcy code and the bankruptcy court could allow your claim as an administrative expense, which means it gets a priority and it gets paid before other creditors' claims get paid. But it doesn't happen automatically. You need to get permission from the bankruptcy court, and you need to hire an attorney. You need to call us, and we'll make the motion to get that claim designated as an administrative claim. But the administrative claim doesn't guarantee payment. It just gives you a priority to get paid before other creditors. So if the company goes out of business or there's no money to pay administrative creditors, you're still not going to get paid even though you've been granted that priority. So that's the rub. Should you sell to your customer in bankruptcy? Only if you're going to get paid. And to make sure you're going to get paid, the best way to do that is on a COD basis. So you don't have to worry about getting a priority. You don't have to worry about terms, 30, 60, or 90. And you don't have to worry about the company running out of money, because if you don't get paid, you don't deliver the goods.